Bob Pomelo here. This is just an introductory video how to cut down a tree and how to use a chainsaw. So what I'm going to show you on this side, this tree is a red oak, and it's I'm using it to make some red oak wood flooring for my home. And I've cut several others out of here, and this is just another one. I'm taking the smaller ones because I'll be taking them out by I'm leaving the mature trees that's on the property to get bigger and grow more mature. I'm going to make a V-notch right here with a chainsaw, and then I'm going on the back side of it making and I'll show you every step by step. So the first step is I've cleared the snow out of the base of the tree. I'm going to make a notch right here. Right towards the camera. The hinge itself just helps the tree when you back cut it and wedge it, which I'm going to show you, helps the tree fall in the direction that you want it. We'll be using. We're only need one, it's not that big of a tree, but this will help us to drop the tree this way so that I can get to it and it don't get hung up on another tree, hopefully. The tree to go this way, I'm going to put a wedge here to help keep it in the direction I want it. Wedges have helped us to get to where the direction we want to go, but I'm in the middle of the woods, so I've got a hang up. Since I was in the middle of the woods there, the wedges started my tree the direction I wanted to go, but then I had to remove them because nothing's textbook when you're doing logging. And this one got hung up in this pine I'll show you over here, and caused me to that pine right there got hung up in there, but there it is. The wedges helped me get it started where I wanted it to go, and I dropped it ultimately right in that little bit of the clearing that I had, because I'm not clear cutting. There's not a field next to me or an open space, but it's all wooded. So by using the wedges and just taking my time with the technique, I directed that tree, dropping that little opening right here, as you can see. For more information, as always, go to doityourselftips.info. I'll see you in my next video.